In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an employee from Connecteam. To get started, open Connecteam and log into your account so you can access the main workspace. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand sidebar and select Users. This is where you can view and manage the people connected to your organization, including active team members and any user accounts you may need to update. After you open the Users section, the next step is to find the employee you want to remove. If you have a long user list, using the search function can make this much faster. Type in the employee's name and wait for their profile row to appear in the results. Once you've found the correct person, move your cursor over their row. Hovering over the row will reveal additional actions you can take for that user. On the far right side of the employees row, click the trash can icon. This is the removal option, and selecting it will open the choices available for that employee account. At this point, you'll typically see two options: archive or delete forever. It's important to understand the difference between these before you confirm. Archiving is usually the best option if you want to remove the employee from active use, but still keep their historical information in the system for records or future reference. Deleting forever is the more permanent option and is typically used when you no longer need the account or its data. Since permanent deletion may not be reversible, take a moment to make sure you're choosing the right action for your situation. Once you've decided, click either Archive or Delete Forever, and then confirm your selection when prompted. After confirmation, the employee will be removed according to the option you selected. As a quick tip, before removing anyone, it's a good idea to double-check that you're selecting the correct employee, especially if multiple users have similar names. If you're unsure whether to archive or permanently delete, archiving can be a safer first step in many cases. And that's all it takes to remove an employee from Connecteam. Just log in, go to Users, search for the employee, hover over their row, click the trash can icon, choose Archive or Delete Forever, and confirm the action.